Namaste, welcome to my channel Tarot by Anjalli. In this video, I will explain what are the rituals to do before tarot card reading and after tarot card reading, and what are the do's and don'ts of a tarot card reading. So keep watching this video till end if you want to become an efficient tarot card reader. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's get started. Guys, if you are new in tarot card reading, then this video is really important for you to watch till end. Why do we need to do rituals? First of all, let me tell you what do I mean by rituals. The routine that we have to do before starting a reading and after ending a reading. When you have to start reading, you have to cleanse yourself. Why do we need to cleanse ourselves? In order to get rid of any negative energy or any kind of vibrational energy from our previous client, we need to cleanse ourselves and we need to cleanse our tarot cards. Even after tarot card reading, we have to do the same. So cleansing is very important. So first thing in our ritual should be cleansing. How to do cleansing? Guys, cleansing can be done by many ways. So the technique that I prefer the most, I will let you know in the end of the video. Before that, I'll let you know the other techniques that are equally good and equally efficient. So first technique of cleansing is burning incense stick. So when you are going to start a reading, you can burn incense stick, or you can also burn the Havan Samagri, or you can burn sage. By burning these things, we are creating a shift in the energy level which is around us. The incense stick, the Havan Samagri, all these clean the environment, all these clean the air. So by cleaning the air, we are also cleaning our body. And we are also cleaning the energy which is there in the tarot cards, which has come from our previous client. The second technique that can be done is keeping a bowl of salt with you on your table, or wherever you are doing the tarot card reading. You can keep a bowl of salt, especially Himalayan salt, if you have that. Another technique is having a gemstone with you, amethyst, emerald, rose quartz, or any gemstone that you can afford and that is available around you. So you can keep gemstones. Gemstones or crystals absorb the negative energy and convert these negative energy into positive energy. So it is very important. Another thing that you can do is lighting a candle on your table wherever you are doing tarot card reading. Either you can light a candle or diya. Especially if you can burn kapoor, it is well and good. Guys, so these are the things which you can keep with you. Now, what are the other rituals that we need to do before starting tarot card reading? Chanting Gayatri Mantra and chanting Om. By doing this, you will create a shift in your own energy level and you will be prepared for the next reading. Another technique of creating a shift from your previous client's energies to pure energy is by talking to your spirit guides or talking to the God that you have belief in. You can say thanks to your spirit guides. You can ask for permission before starting your tarot card reading. You can say whatever you want. You can talk to your spirit guide just as you talk to your friends and just as you talk to normal people, because spirit guides are there to help us. If you believe in angels, then you can talk to your angels. As soon as we talk to them, we make a connection with them and we start vibrating on high energy level. By talking to your spirit guides or angels, you can also cut the cord with your previous client. One more thing that I prefer doing is visualizing that I am washing my tarot cards with water. Generally, I visualize that I am washing my tarot cards with rainwater. By doing this visualization technique, you are mentally ready to read for the next client and you have cleansed your tarot cards. Now, I'll tell you the best technique and my favorite technique as a ritual in my tarot card readings. Guys, this is a Tibetan ball. I use this just before starting my reading. The sound of this bowl creates a vibrational shift in the environment, in the air around you. The sound also relaxes you and releases you of your stress. If you don't have a Tibetan bowl, you can take any bell that is there in your puja room. You can also rub your hands and then touch your tarot cards to energize the tarot cards. So guys, this is all about the rituals that I do in tarot card reading. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe, like and share.